So, good evening from Newcastle International Airport, flying this evening on FR 175 to Dublin, so departing at 10:30, and yeah, we'll just arrived at the airport and approximately took about 1 minute and 10 seconds to get through security. So nice quick security, always great here in Newcastle.
After a quick cup of coffee and something to eat at Burger King and watching some of the movements out of the airport, I then saw on flight radar that my aircraft, which was Echo India Golf Sierra Golf, was delayed by about an hour. So this wasn't any big issue for me because I was just going to be staying overnight in the terminal at Dublin before doing some early morning plane spotting. Eventually though, the plane did arrive. Here it is, pulling onto stand number 2 at Newcastle Airport. Some of you may be wondering, how on earth can you fly with Ryanair for free? Well, every week the airline has a competition where you can submit a photo of yourself with something you've bought on board one of their flights, and if you do happen to win the in-flight competition, which is on Twitter and Facebook, then you win a £100 voucher, and with that voucher you can spend it on any flight you wish. So as you can see, I won it, I redeemed my voucher, and the flight cost absolutely nothing. Brilliant. So departing out of Newcastle, I didn't have a window seat. I was just sitting on the aisle quite comfortably, to be honest with you, but one of the flight attendants kindly got me a seat right at the front, seat 3F, after we departed. I hadn't asked before departure as I just couldn't be bothered, but I did ask when the drinks came round, and she very kindly got me a seat. So yeah, I managed to film the entire landing, and of course I got my usual Ryanair in-flight purchase, a Kit Kat and a Britvic orange juice. Happy days. Despite being delayed, it was a relatively short flight across to Dublin as per usual, and the nice clear evening made for a nice approach to land on runway 28 at Dublin Airport. As you can see, the streets are all nicely lit up around the towns and everything surrounding Dublin, so it was quite a nice evening as it was way past midnight. One of the nice things about landing in Dublin during the evening is obviously seeing the many aircraft parked up on the apron, lit up by the floodlights at the airport. It was also quite nice too, as it was the first time I've been back to Dublin for, well, nearly a year now, and it was good to see the new air traffic control tower all lit up and looking really good, to be honest. So yeah, it's good to see the progress that's been made at Dublin, and many new exciting things happening. And that's the end of the video, folks. my very first free Ryanair flight from Newcastle to Dublin. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please like, comment and subscribe. We've just hit over 8,000 subscribers, so thank you very much for watching.
Coming through this on tonight and open doors and the remote will do that.